I tell you, the Dragonborn comes with a voice wielding power of the ancient Lord Earth. Believe, believe, the Dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, beware, the Dragonborn comes. For the darkness has passed and the legend yet grows.
Good day, ladies and gents, welcome to another video. My name is Renier, this is FDR, and this is a channel where we like to have some fun with our cars. Today I would like to tell you a tale. It's full of some good times and some very bad ones, unfortunately, as well. It's a tale of two Ford Focus RS's and a small town called Bloemfontein. There was a petrolhead angel in the heavens. His name was Gabriel. He came down to earth after smelling burning petrol and hearing the launch control of a wickedly fast Focus RS. This Focus RS was rumored to be the fastest in Bloemfontein and maybe the fastest in all of the lands. He had to silence this fire-breathing, methanol-snorting car driven by the infamous Mrs. Sune, also known as Dovahkiin, the Dragonborn. His weapon of choice? A highly tuned Ford Focus RS, of course. There can be only one.
Here we are, born to be kings. We're the princes of the universe.
Dovahkiin had a monster car, but he didn't start out that way. Once it was beaten by a mere Golf GTI.
Holy! That's flipping impossible! No way. So how you feel beating an RS with a GTI?
A tuned RS. A stock GTI.
This heresy was captured on a video and displayed in all the lands. The reaction was devastating. The citizens revolted and bitter comments full of venomous poison were hurled at the young Dragonborn. Everybody made sure that she felt the dislikes and disdain towards her. But there was light at the end of the tunnel. It came in the form of a message delivered from a faraway land called YouTube. In this message it was explained that there was indeed a factory fault on these Ford Focus RS's and that it could be fixed. Patience not being one of the virtues of our young Dovahkiin, she immediately took the car to a Ford blacksmith where it was fixed without charge. Now it was time for her to exact revenge, and the challenge went out to the humble GTI that humiliated her just mere months ago. Valiantly, the GTI owner, only known as Sir Junior Porsche, accepted the challenge, only to be trampled into the ground and left into the dust by the powerful fixed Ford Focus RS of Dovahkiin. This was not enough though, no. Our young Dragonborn went out and found a mystical artifact called a big precision turbo. After much training, she was at long last ready to wield the full power of this mighty weapon, and thus ready to become the one, with only Gabriel standing in her way. Meanwhile, Gabriel was tearing up the streets, racing only the fastest cars, and slowly but surely making a name for himself, proving that to be a worthy adversary to the mighty Dovahkiin. He also found some powerful artifacts with a Cobb logo on them. The true power of these artifacts will be revealed at the end of this tale, so stay tuned. One beautiful Saturday morning, Dovahkiin was lazily oogling some sheep, oblivious to her presence, ready for the slaughter with her mighty Focus RS. Suddenly, the droning of a powerful engine, sounding the same as hers, could be heard approaching from the distance. The day of reckoning had come. RS versus RS. Today, we will see who is the fastest in the land.
Oké, 3 hè?
And with that, the mighty Gabriel was defeated, and Dovahkiin was crowned the king of Lovander. And that is the end of our happy tale. Let's have a look at the different modifications of the two cars. And here is the part where I have to give some sad news now. Gabriel loved driving his car in the drift mode setting. And not so long ago, while a heavy rainstorm was here, he forgot the car on in this drift mode setting. So, which meant he lost control of the car, went over some curves and good knows what else. And yeah, the next photo is not for sensitive viewers. If you're a big RS fan, look away now. Don't look at this photo. Just look at those rims, the suspension, the side door, the damage there. All in all, the damage to the car is approximately half of the value of the car. So it's gonna be out of commission for quite a while. But wait, there's more, unfortunately, and even worse. It's about Sunay's car. I don't know how to say this. I don't know how to say this. She had to sell it. It's gone. She will never race it again. Though this news is very sad, there's a very good reason for it. Sunay is expecting a second child. So, and if you're a parent, you know your priorities change when you have a new child coming. So yeah, we're very happy for Sunay and for Stefan. Congratulations you guys, and all the best with the pregnancy and with the new young one. Yeah, but the Focus RS's though, they will be missed. Thank you for watching.